Is your car hesitating, shifting rough, or lighting up the dashboard like a Christmas tree? Before you hand over hundreds of dollars for a diagnosis, here's something most shops won't tell you. Often, nothing is actually broken. Your car's computer just needs a reboot. In this video, I'm walking you through 13 simple reset tricks you can do in your own driveway. Most take just minutes, and they cost nothing. Stick around to the end, because the final reset is one even experienced DIYers overlook. Let's get started. Reset 13. Climate Control System. Your AC starts acting up. Weak airflow, inconsistent temperature, or random bursts of hot and cold. Most people assume the compressor is toast. But often, the real issue is a confused climate control module. Modern HVAC systems rely on electric actuators and sensors to manage airflow and temperature. A voltage drop or electrical glitch can throw them off. A simple reset can bring everything back in line. Here's how. Turn the ignition off. Disconnect the negative battery terminal. Wait about 15 minutes to drain any residual power. Reconnect the battery and start the car. Set the climate control to auto or max cold and let it run for a few minutes without touching anything. This lets the module relearn its positions. On many older Ford and GM models, this trick works like magic. Just keep in mind, some high-end European cars may require a scan tool if the battery reset doesn't do the job. Reset 12. Power windows. You just swapped the battery or jumped the car, and now your windows are acting up. The one-touch feature stops halfway, or you have to hold the button just to get it closed. Your window motor isn't dying. Your car's computer just forgot where the top and bottom are. Here's the fix. Turn the ignition to the on position. Roll the window all the way down and hold the button for 5 seconds after it stops. Then pull it up until the window is fully closed and hold for another 5 seconds. Test it. One quick tap should now trigger full auto movement. This works on everything from Toyotas to BMWs and saves you the headache of fighting your windows every time you hit a drive-thru. Reset 11. Throttle Position Sensor TPS. Notice hesitation when you hit the gas? Or maybe a delayed response that makes the car feel sluggish? The throttle position sensor might have lost its reference point. This can happen after a weak battery, carbon buildup, or just years of driving. The fix is often a simple recalibration. Turn the key to the on position without starting the engine. Slowly press the gas pedal all the way down and release. Turn the key off, wait 10 seconds, then start the car and let it idle. This helps the sensor relearn the full pedal range. On Nissans and Infinitis, a 3-pump method is common. On many European cars, you'll hold the pedal to the floor for 30 seconds. Check your vehicle's specific method. Reset 10. ABS Warning Light. The ABS light pops on, but the brakes feel fine. That light might just be stored memory from a low battery or a dirty wheel speed sensor. Even after the issue clears, the warning can linger. Here's a quick way to clear it. Turn the ignition off. Locate the ABS fuse and pull it. Leave it out for about 15 minutes, then reinstall it. Start the car and drive slowly to let the system recalibrate. If the light stays off, you're good. If it comes right back, you likely have a physical issue that needs attention. Reset 9. Mass Airflow MAF Sensor. Rough idle, poor acceleration, or dropping fuel mileage. The MAF sensor might be dirty. It measures incoming air to help the engine balance fuel and air. When it's coated in debris, performance suffers. Disconnect the negative battery cable and wait 15 minutes. Remove the MAF sensor, usually near the air filter, and spray it with dedicated MAF cleaner. Let it dry completely. Reinstall it, reconnect the battery, and start the engine. Let it idle so the ECU can relearn. One warning. Never use anything but MAF cleaner. Brake cleaner or WD-40 can destroy the sensor. Reset 8. ECU Hard Reset. A check engine light, limp mode, or transmission weirdness can feel terrifying. But sometimes the ECU is just holding onto bad data. A hard reset clears that and starts fresh. Disconnect both battery cables. Touch the ends together for 30 seconds to drain residual power. Reconnect, start the engine, and let it idle for 10 minutes. Many drivers notice the check engine light disappears and throttle response improves almost instantly. Reset 7. Transmission Adaptive Reset. Does your transmission slam into gear or hunt for the right shift? Modern transmissions learn your driving habits, but after a dead battery or heavy traffic, that memory can turn sour. Resetting it clears the bad habits. Turn the key to on without starting. Press the brake and slowly move the shifter through all gears. Pause briefly in each. End in drive for 30 seconds, then back to park. Start the engine and drive gently for about 10 minutes. Shifts should smooth out. On newer 8 and 10 speed transmissions, you may still need a scan tool for a full reset. Reset 6. Idle air control relearn. At a stoplight, does your engine shake, surge, or nearly stall? The idle air control system might have lost its reference. This often happens after a battery disconnect or throttle body cleaning. Start the engine with all accessories off. Let it idle for 5 minutes. Turn on the AC and headlights, idle another 5 minutes. Turn everything off and take a short drive. Idle stability should return. Reset 5. Fuel trim reset. Filling up more often? Acceleration feeling flat? The AQ might be holding onto outdated fuel corrections. Resetting the fuel trims clears that. Disconnect the negative battery cable for 30 minutes. Reconnect, start the engine, and let it idle. Then take a short drive at varying speeds. Many drivers notice better throttle response and improved mileage. Reset 4. Electric power steering EPS reset. Steering feels heavy or uneven after a battery change? Electric power steering systems can lose calibration. This lock-to-lock reset is factory standard on VW, Audi, and Honda. Turn the ignition to on without starting. Turn the wheel fully left and hold 5 seconds. Fully right and hold 5 seconds. Return to center, then start the engine. Steering assist should feel normal again. Reset 3. Battery Management System BMS reset. Put in a new battery but things feel off? Start-stop not working? Voltage looking strange? The car still thinks the old battery is installed. A BMS reset fixes that. Turn the ignition to on. Press and hold the brake. While holding the brake, press the accelerator fully for 10 seconds. Release both, turn ignition off, then start the car. Charging behavior should normalize, and systems like start-stop will return. Reset 2. Key fob and immobilizer reset. You turn the key and nothing happens, or the security light flashes. The immobilizer might have lost communication with the key. This can happen after a weak battery or key fob replacement. Insert the key and turn to on. Leave it for 10 minutes or until the security light stops flashing. Turn off, wait 10 seconds, and repeat 3 times. On the final cycle, start the engine. If it was just a sync issue, the car should fire right up. Reset 1. Airbag warning light reset. The airbag light stays on after startup. That doesn't always mean a failed system. A low battery or unplugged seat connector can trigger a false alert. Turn the key to on. As soon as the airbag light turns on and then off, turn the key off. Repeat this cycle 3 or 4 times. Then start the car. If the light was from a glitch, it should clear. If it stays on, have the system checked professionally.